it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S given here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are here with Prince Swanny. Yes, we're in Trinidad. Yes, Prince Swanny with Time Bomb. I believe this is the first, this is one of the videos from his album, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. All right, so I've seen lots of comments saying react to his album. If I'm going to do that, then I'll probably have to go live and just do the whole album rather than just do videos on videos on videos. Right? So let's jump in this one and see what Prince Swanny has to say. Trinidad people, make sure you drop us up on the one. Let's go. So there's a disclaimer about the guns in the video, basically.
Woody, you alright? Make them know, me say, make them know.
Pass out.
Make them know, me say, make them know.
Time bomb, man.
5 in a head, 2 in a body. Straight to the pint, we not carry malice. My dog call Jimmy, him no pop Molly. No, if you touch the Julie, my boss Cali. Shops out in the black alley. All of my dog psycho, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Drones out, spot 3 bodies. Now the K got 3 bodies. Ambulance, I feel sorry. Bus gunshot. Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Let's go again. Let's analyze what he's saying.
Make them know, me say, make them know. Make them know, me say, make them know. 5 in a head, 2 in a body. Straight to the pint, we not carry malice.
7 you get, straight off the bat. 7 you get. 5 in a head, 2 in a body. 5 in a head and 2 in a body. You're definitely dead. 5 in your head, brother. Close casket settings you get, bro. Close casket settings you get. Furthermore, straight to the point. We're not in a malice. We're not in a chasing thing. Left up to the ladies them. And you see me? I'm gonna left on that, brother. Yeah.
5 in a head, 2 in a body. Straight to the point, we not carry malice. My dog call Jimmy, him no pop Molly. No, if you touch the Julie, my boss Cali.
Him saying dog named Jimmy, dog called Jimmy, him no pop Molly. So him a tell us you right now, him dog and no Molly head, or him dog now fi be high fi bust your head. Huh?
5 in a head, 2 in a body. Straight to the point, we not
we are breaking this down as much as we can.
carry malice. My dog call Jimmy, him no pop Molly. No, if you touch the Julie, my boss Cali. Shops out in the black alley. All of my dogs psycho, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
All of my dogs, them psycho, Michael Myers. If you know, you know where I refer to. If you don't know, just go do your research for Michael Myers. Yo, Grammy.
Shops out in the black alley. All of my dogs psycho, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Drones out, spot 3 bodies. Now the K got 3 bodies.
The K not brand new again. Right now the K have 3 body on it. 3 up it just make. Mad I mean.
Out in the black alley. All of my dogs psycho, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Drones out, spot 3 bodies. Now the K got 3 bodies. Ambulance, I feel sorry. Bus gunshot for real, we no cheap panic.
All ambulance, I feel sorry. The EMT them, the paramedic them, put the ambulance forward and I feel sorry for him. The way how the K make him body look. Man, him body look chamba up. That's what Prince One is saying, not me.
Ambulance, I feel sorry. Bus gunshot for real, we no cheap panic. We spin them block every day like the 𝐑𝐿𝐻. Dog if me go up and kill him, me not for free Spanish. Spin them block ambulance, I feel sorry. Bus gunshot for real, we no cheap panic. We spin them block every day like the 𝐑𝐿𝐻. Dog if me go up and kill him, me not for free Spanish.
Once him spin them block every day, brother. And when him reach up to him, when him catch up to him not go freeze, brother. Him not panic, brother, because this not new to him. This coming like it's an everyday thing. This coming like a walk in the park. Anytime we buck them, we not go freeze, brother. We not freeze.
Spin them block every day like the Weez Fagic. Dog if me go up and kill him, me not fi freeze pan it.
Savage.
See squaddy, still have to squeeze pan it. Plus anyway we have to try, we have to beat traffic.
What am I say? What is it?
See squaddy, still have to squeeze pan it. Plus anyway we have to try, we have to beat traffic.
So I say, yo, basically, if them see squaddy, them have to go knock it off a squaddy, them have to go beat it off a squaddy, cause here, anywhere, dog, anywhere. By any means necessary, them have to beat the traffic. You see me, cause them can't get catch flat-footed. That's what Swanny is saying, not me. What?
See squaddy, still have to squeeze pan it. Plus anyway we have to try, we have to beat traffic. Bumbo clad that a speed Sonic. We fully bad and so we living we life, yeah. The clock.
Bumbo clad that a speed Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog. Sonic is known for his speed. So I'm tell you, say, that a speed Sonic. Speed off, brother.
Bumbo clad that a speed Sonic. We fully bad and so we living we life, yeah. The clock a tick, slope and the time bomb. Mash them head, them brain fly like bad. Fuck them gal, she love my damn cash. Without the bag, she have no standard. The clock.
You'll have no standards. One cash is involved, she not have no standard, brother. A time bomb, man.
Clock a tick, slope and the time bomb. Mash them head, them brain fly like bad. Fuck them gal, she love my damn cash. Without the bag, she have no standard. The clock.
Don't the back, she have no standard. The boss will tell you, say, yo, is a bad bitch, brother. And she will do anything to get the bread, you see?
Got tick slope and the time bomb. Mash them head, them brain fly like bad. Fuck them gal, she love my damn cash. Without the bag, she have no standard. Try bad. Celtic with the spike back. Draco with the spike back. 50 with the spike back. Try run up on my block. Everything the life flat. My little dog slime. Like the killers, them feel like that. Me make
boss, I tell you, how grimy the dog them really is for the ends, brother.
Celtic with the spike back, Draco with the spike back, 50 with the spike back. Try run up on my block, everything the life flat. My little dog slime, like the killers, them feel like that. Me make money.
Yo, big up the production team here now. We just see one tree in the background on fire. The scene where the man a paint in the music video, it a match back to everything where I say in the lyrics, them brother. Grimy.
And fly gun, love to live my life, dog. Them for know me wiser, me could be them advisor. Call is on my man and then just pull up with the tripod.
Man say me, you listen, me love to live my life bad. Remember say me wise, you know. Remember say me could have been no advisor, you know. Remember say no brain, you know. Remember say a dummy, you know. That is what Swanny is saying. Look, that is what Swanny is saying, not me.
If I live this life, cause me could be them advisor. Call is on my man and then just pull up with the tripod. Don't try to live this life cause it could end up by the lighter. Right. The pussy them a piper. Ever full of cash, you like Elon Musk. Cyber.
Pussy them a viper. The boss say him ever full of cash like Elon Musk. Yo.
Right. The pussy them a piper. Ever full of cash, you like Elon Musk. Cyber. So miraculous when them a hear the gun bust. My God. To the 45 and pointed like the compass. Life God. My smart we come Kyle, we used to rub fuss. Right. My dogs them in the jailhouse for you bun down. Young Kill us when them a hear the gun bust. My God. To the 45 and pointed like the compass. Life God. My smart we come Kyle, we used to rub fuss. Right. My dogs them in the jailhouse for you bun down. Young the rifle over we have and it's so long.
Man, the man that make that repetitive. The man that say the rifle will have it long.
The rifle over we have and it's so long. The clock a tick, slope and the time bomb. Mash them head, them brain fly like bat. Fuck them gal, she love my damn cash. Without the bag, she have no standard. The clock a tick, slope and the time bomb.
So the only way where him I go get to fuck them gal. Him having money. Them boy they broke like board, looking at road, broke like egg. You see me? Them boy they have no money. So guess what? We are gonna fuck them gal, brother. We are gonna friend them gal and fuck them gal because we have the bag over here and she need the bag.
Mash them head, them brain fly like
God.
Fuck them gal, she love my
nice
damn
bag,
cash.
man.
Without the bag, she have no standard. Yo, a full is it.
And say a full is it. So big up the training bad people. Them we are watch this right now. Big up on yourself.
Bad. Yeah. Try bad. Yo, amount of things you have with the spy back and
Yeah, big up yourself, Swanny. With the graphic, with the crazy. Zoogie! The album is now out. Alright, watch it. The album is now out. Let me know if you guys want me to go live and react to the album. I can do that if you guys want. Just do a live reaction for now and just react to all I sang them on the album. Rather than doing videos, on top of videos, on top of videos. You see me? So let me know what if you guys want to see that. You see me? Drop a sub if you haven't done so already. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, guys. If you want any more Prince Swanny reaction, look at any one of them 2 videos and you might see one up there if you're lucky. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.